How to see your drafts on YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your drafts on YouTube Shorts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, head over to your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you can tap on this view channel option right here to view your channel. Tap on view channel, and after you do that you will see different places right here. I mean, for your videos, for your shorts, for your playlists and stuff like that. So on the video section you'll find drafts right here, and for shorts you'll find drafts here. If you tap on drafts, you should be able to see all of your drafts. So the more drafts you have, you can see all of your drafts available right here, and that's basically how you do this. Now the other way you can see the drafts is really simple as well. Tap on this plus icon on the bottom, then tap on this bottom right option that says draft, and there you can see your drafts as well. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.